Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to show you the beginning steps of how to install the Single Hung 360. The first step is to ensure your Single Hung works correctly. We're going to unlock and open, and then close it. For this install, I'm going to remove the sash before dry fitting into my opening. Before I can remove it, I have to remove the fastener cover in the head and the two fastener covers, one in each jamb. Using the single hook balance tool, I'll remove the fastener cover in the header first, and now I'll remove each fastener cover in the jambs. Here are the sash pins that are going to assist me with removing the sash. The pins are going to hold the bottom of the balance into the jamb, and when I remove the pins, I'll have to remember to push in this blue button that will release the springs at the end of the pin. Here are the sash pins that's going to grab the bottom of this balance into the jamb. You'll see the small hole at the bottom of the balance. The pin will fit through the balance and into this top hole that's already pre-punched. The other hole is for your anchor when anchoring your window into the substrate. I'm now going to follow the same process on the other side. Both sash pins are in. What I'll be able to do is lift up, slide it to the side, and pivot the sash out of the frame. There are two options here. I can either A, leave the pins here in the jamb, set my frame into the opening, and begin installing it, or for best practices, remove the pin out of the jamb, but be careful because the tension on the balance is going to want to come up. Carefully work your way up to the top and then remove the pin out of each balance. I'll follow the same process on the other side. The next step is to dry fit the window into the opening. I've now dry fitted the window into the opening. I'm ready to apply the appropriate sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners into your substrate. Ensure that your frame stays square, level, and plumb. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. This is going to support the frame as well as keeping the frame square, level, and plumb. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the main frame into your precast sill. Get all that concrete dust out and fill each cavity with sealant. Run your fasteners through the tube of sealant and anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. To recap, I'm now showing you the beginning steps of how to install the Single Hung 360. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sash and finish the installation.